Okay, I'm going to try something new. Let's see how this works for math. First, put at the top of your paper, Supplemental Math 3. Supplemental Math 3. Right here you see it. I actually can just do this for you too. Right there, put that on your paper. Okay, now next let's take a look at this. 1 times 5 times 5 equals 25. So now we're going to look, I have to cancel out because it makes it so small. You see, for some reason you can't increase while you're showing that. I don't like that. Okay, so this is easier to see. So first you take your big numbers here and you multiply them together. There's a 1 here, but you can't see it. So that's 1 times 5 is 5 times 5 more is 25. Now let's add together all the little numbers that we see. 0 plus 3 plus 2. So 0 plus 3 is 3 plus 2 more is 5. So we have n little tiny 5. So right here's our 25. We got that from multiplying the big numbers. Then we have our n, and then we have it to the 5th power. And we got that because we added all those powers together. Now let's come over here and do it with this one. Let's see if I can pull up this example that's going to let me write. I don't know if it's going to let me write. Let's see what it'll do. Here we go. Let's see if this will let me write, if you guys can see this okay, or if it's going to get small on us here. Okay, so, of course it's, oh, there we go. Okay, so first thing we have is we've got our 2 times 2 is 4. And now we're going to add together, we've got, let's see if it's going to let me show you. We can't see because it's underneath these things here that are in our way. But I think we had, let's go back here and see. We've got a V3 and we've got just one V right there. So when they just have one, they don't put it up there. But we've got our V's here. And then 3V plus 1V is equal to little baby 4V. There we go. Good job. Now let's go look at number 3 before we do number 5. Here's number 3. Let's do the same one. This one's going to be a little easier, I think. Oh, shucks, no. You made some edits that you will lose. Okay, that's not what we really wanted to see. I don't know what this thing is doing here, so let's go back to our number 2 we were working on. This thing's crazy. Okay, here's our number 2. So we're coming in here and we want to draw. We're going to draw using this, and now we're going to do our number 2. Our number 2, we just did the 2V. Oh yeah, actually we did that. We said it was going to be 4V baby 4. Okay, so now let's come over here and go to our number 3. Let's get out of that. I don't know why that's like that. We are really having some trouble here. Number 3, please. Okay, here we go. Draw. We'll do the blue this time. So let's look at the 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Our letter that we have is A. And now we want to look at 2 A's plus 0 A's is still 2 A's. Very good. Now let's bounce back over here and look at number 4. We're going to do the same thing with number 4. Now we're moving. Here we go. 5 times 2 equals 10. Our letter is a P. 3 P's plus 1 P. There's a 1 here. You just can't see it because they don't put it in. 3 plus 1 equals 4. That's supposed to be a little 4, but I didn't draw it well. I could try to erase it and see. Now let's see if I can draw a smaller 4. Let's see if this one writes smaller. Oh yeah, one writes much smaller. 10p4 for your number 4. Okay, so let's look at number 5 now. Where do we have number 5? Let's erase. Let's close that. Okay, now let's go to our, make it look bigger now. We waste so much time just doing that. Let's look. Number 5, she gives you the answer. Let's look at it together. 6 times 1 times 1, because they don't show you the 1, but it's right here and it's right here. That gives you 6. And now let's add your p's together. 1 p here plus 2 p's here equals 3 p's. So 6p3 is your answer to number 5. Okay, now you write down number 6. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then we're going to write down the n because you're doing an n. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 12 and 5. Number 7. 6 times 4 is 24. 24x, 2 plus 3 is 5. 24x 5. Let's look at v. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, so you're just going to write a 5 down there. And then you're going to write a v. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 5v2. Number 9. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 what? 24m. As 0 m's there and only 1 m there is just 1 m. So it's 24m. That's all you write, just 24m. And now we go to our last one, number 10. 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's see if I can do this on the drawing, if it'll work for us. We'll just take this little black one and see if that helps us. Okay, it's really hard to see. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 8 times, over here's a 3 we didn't do yet. 8 times 3 is 24. And then we have our m, 24m, and we have to count up all these numbers here. 3, 3, and 0. So 3 plus 3 is 6. I think our answer for number 10 should be this. 24m6. Let me go back and take a look though, because I have to make sure I had those one things right. Let's see here, 24m6. Were we right? Let's see. Yep, we were right. 3 plus 3 plus 0. And 24m6. So we are good, guys. There you go. Take a picture. Send it to me right away. Please, please, please take a picture